Hello. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is the end of 2024. I always like to end out the year with updates of what I do around the house. This is going to be a combination of my Christmas decor and updates on what I've done to this house. Welcome to my entryway. I feel like it's the heart of the house because you open the door and then you're in the house. To me, the entrance of the house is always important to me. I always like to try to keep it as tidy as I can. I decided to go with maroon colored flooring because that is a nice feng shui. Decorated as minimal. I don't want to get carried away. I probably did. To some people I did, some people I didn't. I really don't know because everyone has their own different styles. Here I just did a cute little bow off to the side. So if you do take selfies, people come over and take selfies, this will be cute in the background. I kind of went crazy. I wanted to do a different style of presents. You stick a stick in the box and then you kind of make them slanted. I'll insert a picture of what I really wanted to do, so hopefully next year I'll do that. I feel is like a focal point whenever people walk in. This is something that they always look at. I just added some poinsettias in my little plant vase. I did my usual garland that I like to do along the stairway. I think I'm gonna always keep it like that. Oh gosh, I haven't taken the tag. I added some little bells. I should have added this bell in the bathroom or something, somewhere where it's not decorated so it doesn't look like too much. This is a new little light that I got from Amazon. My puck light broke and I haven't replaced it. It is battery operated. 7 rules of life. Let it go, ignore them, give it time. Don't compare, stay calm, it's on you, and smile. Probably gonna put it in a better frame, but for now it's like that. Here I added a cute little Christmas tree. It's Alabama A&M stuff. This was supposed to go in my husband's office, but I never made my way up there because I just barely ever go upstairs. I like to keep this area clean, but it's always nearly impossible because I always end up putting mail and people put keys, wallets, whatever. So this always gets cluttered. And here we are in the kitchen. I love and hate this space because this kitchen could be clean in the AM and then by 8 o'clock PM, there's just so much stuff here. It's so hard to keep clean, but I love how spacious my countertop is. And then I have a bar area. I was gonna add some bow ties up here, but I was like, you know, that's gonna be too much. And so I just kept it simple. The only thing I added in the kitchen really was this reef up here above the stove. But this area over here, I am just in love with. I got a new rug from Costco and it was only 70 bucks. I added another little bell here. I got inspired by Studio McGee. I tried to incorporate some of her style mixed in with things that I already have, which are basically old and new. I'm having mixed feelings about the chair because it is really heavy, so I don't know if we're gonna upgrade this later or not. Then this chandelier was a process. This thing took forever to put together. Kind of want to lower it a little bit. This area used to be a round mirror, but I decided to move it and I ended up putting 2 mirrors that I got from IKEA. For Christmas, I made this centerpiece, I guess you want to call it. I used some pool noodles and then got some zip ties and then stuck these candle holders in between and then also put some lights on. I think it's really cute because I customized it, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna store it. I learned from a lot of designers that the bigger the better. This technically would usually be good if it's like on the floor. Since this house is just gimungo, wanted to put this here and I thought it looked cute. One thing about me is that this house is never gonna be the same. Every time I have company, they always come and they're like, oh, you did this, oh, you did that, oh, that's cute. It's always something different because my mind is always going. Next, and we have my living room. We used to have a gray couch. My husband didn't like it, so we ended up flip-flopping, and upstairs we have the gray couch. Down here we have the brown couch. I like it because it's not a sectional. I think I'm kind of veering away from having sectionals just because it seems bigger, and so I like how this is here where there's like a walkway here. I am gonna be getting a new area rug. I just don't know, they're so expensive. I don't know what color area rug I want, so for now, we're just gonna deal with this, and it's kind of cool because I chose to do a blue theme for my Christmas tree, so it kind of actually matches with this color. For my Christmas mantle, I wanted to do like a garland to go in, but I just feel like it would have been too distracting. I opted to just do stockings with our initials on them. I like minimal. This is my little snowman. My coworker from Colorado, she got this for me. She's like a real sweetheart. She helped me out a lot back in Colorado. So believe it or not, these lights here that are in the fireplace I got from Colorado. I cleaned them and they still work. I'll have to insert a picture of where I put them. Decided to put them in the fireplace just to give it some light. This is something new. I've been looking for something like this for a long time and I finally found one. My Christmas tree, I decided to go blue, gold, and silver. Not really that colorful with our personalized Christmas ornaments. I'll decorate the tree different every year, I'm thinking, because it's kind of fun. I chose blue because, you know, my favorite color is blue. Memphis is blue. And I just wanted to go blue because I had a lot of blue. So I'm like, you know, let's do blue. Then if you look up at the top, that one is the more colorful tree. I just added so many things too. That one's just all of the colors, got poinsettias up there. I clustered some ornaments together just to make it easier for myself instead of sporadically putting them all on the tree. Also added some fake presents up there. Over here, I just have a regular wreath, nothing really to do here. I probably will do something more with that area up there since it is a little plain. I'm not sure. This is a big vase that I had in my dining room, but I put it over here and then just decided to add some Christmas flowers and Christmas decor there. Then we've got Mr. Santa Claus with a retro cassette player, which I think just kind of looked good here. Do you still have cassettes? I do. They're somewhere. I don't know where. I wonder if the radio station still works. That'd be so crazy if it did. But this is worth some bucks right here. Who remembers playing on this? My son probably doesn't know what a cassette is.
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh. I got this really cute candle holder. It's an elephant. You never want to face it towards the exit of the house. You always want the elephant to be inward. The trunk also has to be going up and not going down, and it can't be like fighting or doing anything. So I like to leave this here with my candle. At night, it's such a cute little ambiance going on. I usually sit over here, edit my videos, and then I'll have this cute light up here with my drink. It's just a cute vibe going on when I, you know, do my editing and stuff. I just decided to throw some pillows here. There is a YouTuber, her name is KB. Gosh, I'm gonna have to add her, but she does lots of IKEA high-end, low-end things, and I get lots of inspo from her, from IKEA and Amazon and Pottery Barn, all kinds of stores. So you kind of just pick and choose what you think you need to spend high dollars on, and then some are just like, nope. I put a blanket up here. Some people do it like this. I don't know. I'm just doing it right here for now. Of course, this never stays here because my sons always like mess up my stuff. So yeah. I usually like to have my money tree over here because that is where it's supposed to go. But right now I just have my banana leaf tree. I forgot what this called, and it's thriving. So maybe I'll keep it here because I do see some leaves peeking through. And now we're gonna go to my favorite room. Let's go. This is my most favorite part of the room. I've always wanted to redo this room because it is a part of the entrance. When people come over, they will see this area. These pillars here I got from my barber. He was selling them, so I was like, oh, I need those. So I finally found a home for it because at first I was like not knowing where to put them. Only thing I'm missing is another recliner over there. It's supposed to be over here, so I've got to order that because it does look a little off. It's the same that I have in my dining room, but I put one here, and then this is like a blue theme because, you know, my favorite color is blue. So I made it blue, and instead of candle holders, I added some crystal cups, and then it's really cute at night, and then I also added lights to it. Another little cute centerpiece here, and then I added this round mirror over here. It has to face a window. Down here, I just added some baskets, and I just put stuff in there. And I don't know if it should look like this or not, but it looked cute to me. So whatever looks cute to me is what I really do. And in this corner, I just added one of my little trees here with some presents here. You know, at nighttime, I turn it off, turn it on. This is my coffee table area. I don't know if it's supposed to be stacked like this, but I thought it looked cute, and I have seen it like this before. When the other chair comes in, it'll be like a cute sitting area. We could play some chess or what have you. Isn't this chessboard so cute? It is, I forgot the blue crystal color, but this is jade or aventurine, and then we've got some turquoise in here for the border, and then I forgot what this one's called, but it's a crystal chess board. My sister's little doggy, because she's freaking obsessed with small things.
Blueconite.
Blueconite? What the heck? Okay, I just stacked some books. These thin ones got to go, but for now we're gonna leave that there. I decided to put my little human heads over here for now until I find an actual place for them to go. This blanket here is made by my friend. I also lash her, and we've been friends for quite a while, and she's like starting her own little business that she does, and she made this, and it took her a long time. I asked for blue and white because that's Memphis colors, so she did this for me, and it's so cute. And they're really hard to make, and they're really expensive. If you do try to find these, good luck. This table was the one that was in the entryway. I decided to put it in this corner over here. If you want to come here, have a conversation. But eventually, I want to make this like my little alcohol room. So I got a crystal glass with liquor set up here. How cute. My mommy's pillow. She made this for me. She made me a green one, and I used to have a green one sitting in my car when I got my first car. I still have it. When I went back home, I was like, Mom, I want another pillow because the green got colored because of the sun, and so she gave me this white one. I just decided to put it right here. So this is just gonna be like the relaxation type of room. Next, I did something that I'm so happy. This used to be the old formal dining room. It had a crazy light fixture. It was like really big. I actually might put that one in my master closet. I got these lights, these cute pendants, and I feel like it just matches. I wasn't sure at first, but you know, IKEA has a 360-day return policy. So if this doesn't work next December, I can get a new one. It took me forever to find one that I really liked because I wasn't sure of the style that I was gonna have over here. But I love how it looks. Like when you walk in the room and they're just all three different sizes. I installed a dimmer. So you can pretty much dim the lights. Go to there. You could dim the lights low, and then you could dim the lights high. I feel like I needed to add a dimmer switch because it's just the vibe over here. Now we're gonna go upstairs real quick and check out how it looks. Okay, we're upstairs now, and this is what the garland looks like. You know what's crazy? I cleaned and organized, and we're gonna have to tear down and everything like all today because, you know, New Year's Eve. Hopefully we'll be able to finish it by today. I didn't really do much upstairs. This is what the Christmas wreath looks like. Here is the game room area. Oh, yeah, thank you, ma'am. Here is where the couch was from downstairs. It's upstairs now. My husband wants to get rid of this. I love it because it's good quality basketball hoop. My husband's office here. I won't really go into there, but he got a new setup. And then this is what the Christmas tree looks like over here. I did decorate it on the other side too. Last year I didn't, but this year I was like, you know, let me do the whole thing. And then my fake presents here. This is my guest bedroom. I've got more things that I need to do in here, but we just have the bed. Don't think we're gonna have company anytime soon, so I'll set this up later.
There's a little TV.
Yes. Over here is my son's room. We haven't done anything here except added the Cambodian flag. We got to figure out some other things to do in here. I want to get a shoe shelf for under his TV area, those little small ones, because he stacks them up like that. And then we've got to fix the light for the back of his TV. This is my son's setup. He's got the Xbox and a PlayStation. I think he uses his PlayStation more. And then last year we did get him the whole monitor and the whole gaming keyboard stuff. This is how his stuff is decorated. He decided to do it like this. He's obsessed with lights. Okay, I'm interviewing my son. What is your obsession with keyboards? Can you explain the difference between all of these keyboards and this one that you're returning?
This one, Bunyan's not good anymore. You know, it's my first one that I got from my mom. This one was a little bit better. It had better reactions, timing.
Reactions.
Better input, timing. And also like the switch is better. And then this one, just listen to it. Sounds great.
Does this one have fast reaction rate?
Yeah, and it also has a knob for something I can't even use it for. But it's just cool to have. This one was supposed to be my best one, but we have to return it because it doesn't work. But it had magnetic switches, which gives faster input timing. So unfortunately it didn't work, so I have to send that back to Amazon.
Which one are you keeping that's upstairs?
Yeah, I'm keeping the one else upstairs.
Oh my God, so you're telling me that you have another one upstairs?
Well, it's in my bag now.
Oh my God, so you have another one? He's going to his friend's house, so he's got all this stuff.
My best one. Sounds great, is great, just like me, you know?
Wait, how come there's no there's no ABCs?
That's actually because it's on the sides right here. So when the RGB lights up, it's much more visible. You see? You see?
Okay. Oh my gosh. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. 5.
Oh my gosh.
And then he's got like his whole setup. A mouse, a long mouse board. Oh my gosh, I just can't. Okay.
Too much for me to handle, and then I never finish. I always start on something and never finish, and so